morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to start new block. Block 19, time on a clock to the seconds. S1, time to the second. Children, this is the clock. As you know how to read the time. Once again I am reminding you. See here, time is measured by a clock. It can be measured in hours, minutes and seconds. We know that pace of analog clock has number 1 to 12. To read minutes, number from 1 to 12 are taken in 5 minutes. See, 1 to 12 is, see, we'll count as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So, when in this clock, this small one is hour hand, and this hand is a minute hand, and this is the second hand. Okay, children. When the hour hand moves from one number to another number to next number, 1 hour has passed. What will say? 1 hour has passed. So when the minute hand, this is the minute hand, moves from one number to the next 5 minutes have passed. See, minute hand, if we pass from one number to the another number, we'll say 5 minutes has passed. Now we are coming to our topic, time on a clock to the seconds. Our topic is time on a clock to the second. A long, thin and fast moving hand. It will be move fast. Minute hand will move fast on the clock that shows the time in seconds. This is the second hand. This shows the time in seconds. Now there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So children, if this second hand, if you take one round, the minute hand will be move another marking from here to here, another marking. It takes second hand 1 minute to draw around the clock once. The minute hand moves from one marking to the another mark. So time the second is written hours, minutes and seconds. So children will write the times in hours, minutes and seconds. Now I'll show you how to write in a time in hours, minutes and seconds. For example, this is the clock. What is the time, children, here? In how many hours, how many minutes, how many seconds? Here children, our hand is on after 1 o'clock. Minute hand is exact on 4 and the second hand is on after 7 o'clock. Okay. So now what is the time here? How will write in hours? 1 hour. Hour is 1. Minutes is, minute hand is on 4. So how many minutes, children? How will count you? Here dear, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20. So it is 20 minutes. Now second hand is on after 7. That means after 7, see how many seconds? Here 30 seconds, 35 seconds. See here, after 35, 2 markings are there. 35 seconds after 2 markings are there. Children, observe here, 35, 36, 37. So each lines you have to count. So this is how many seconds it is? 37 seconds. So time is in the clock is 1 hour, 20 minutes, 37 seconds. So children, 60 minutes in 1 hour, how many minutes will be there? 1 hour is equal to how many? 60 seconds. Okay. No, as you know, 1 hour is equal to 60. As you know, children, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. In 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And hour is bigger than minutes. You know, 1 hour is bigger than minutes. Minutes is bigger than seconds. Now open your workbook, children. Now we'll do workbook sums. You ready with pencil, scale, eraser. Write date 6/2/2021. S1 time to the second. First question, draw the hands of the clock to show the time. See children, A bit. This is example sum. 4 hours 30 minutes 45 seconds. So our hand should be where children? 4 after 4. After 4 and 4. This our hand should be 4 and 5 between, because 30 minutes, no? So it will be, our hand will be 4 and 5 between. 4 hour between, and minute hand is an exact 6, and seconds is 45 minutes. The second hand is on exact 9. Now B bit 5 hours 15 minutes 30 seconds. 5 hours 15 minutes 30 seconds. That means our hand should be where children? Little after 5. Okay. Now 15 minutes. Minute hand is on 15 minutes children. So minute hand should be where children? On exact 3. Now 30 seconds. That means second hand is on 6. So 5 hours 15 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, now C bit 11 hours 10 minutes 25 seconds. So our hand should be where children? 11. Little only it will be more children after 11. Because 10 minutes passed. Now 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That means minute hand should be on 2. 5, 10. 25 seconds. 25 seconds means minute and second hand should be on where children? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it is on, second hand is on 5. Okay children, and D bit E, F, G, H, you do it as homework. Now second question, write the time to the nearest second. So here they given timings, you have to write the times here in dash blank space. Now B bit, first one is example sum, second bit B children. See our hand, where is children? Our hand is on 10. So 10 hours. How many minutes passed children? See till year to year 5 minutes, and this minute hand is on nearest to 2. So how will count after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minutes. Then how many seconds? How many seconds are passed? See till year 20, 25, 26, 27. So 27 seconds. So what is the time? 10 hours, 9 minutes, 27 seconds. No C, D, you do it as homework. Now, third question. What time is it when the hour hand points just before 11, the minute hand points to 11 and the second hand points to 11. Draw the hands on the clock. Now children, what they given in the question? Say our hand points just before the 11. So first we will draw the our hand before the 11. Means that our hand should be to draw nearest 11. And the minute hand points to on 11, to 11. So minute hand points to 11 and the second hand points to 11. So what is the time children here on here? 10 hours is 10 hours. Minute hand is to 11 means 55 minutes. And how many seconds? This second hand also on points to 11, no? So 55 seconds. 10 hours, 55 minutes, 55 seconds. I hope you understood. Turn the page. We will going to continue S2. Convert time. As you know children, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. See, 1 minutes is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. Children, you know our topic is convert time. You have to convert the time in this lesson. So in this lesson, so what you already learned in last class, that means block 18. How to convert when you are converting bigger unit to bigger unit to smaller unit. What you have to do when you are converting bigger unit to smaller unit? Multiply smaller unit to bigger unit. You have to divide. Okay. So here what you have to do? Hours, minutes, seconds. So when you are converting hours to minutes, minutes to seconds, hours to minutes, bigger unit to smaller unit. Okay. So you have to multiply 60. Okay, you have to multiply 60. When you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide 60. Divide by 60. Write date 6 2 20 21. Yes, to convert time. So first question, convert to minutes. Okay, convert to minutes. You write it here children, big to small, multiply small to big, divide. So this A bit, this is the example sum, 42 seconds. So here convert to minutes. You have to convert in minutes. That it is given in seconds. You have to convert in minutes. That means you have to convert in smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller unit to bigger. So small to big. What you have to do? You have to divide. So 420 divided by 60. So here 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 7s are 42. So how many minutes children? 7 minutes. Okay. Now B bit 660 seconds. 660 seconds divided by how much? 60. So 0 0 cancel. Simplify 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are. So what is the answer? 11 minutes is the answer. Now C bit 1800 seconds. 1800 seconds. 1800 divided by 60. So 0 0 cancel. Now 6 ones are 6 3s are 18. So 0 is there. This 0 to add it. So how many minutes, children? 30 minutes. Now here D bit you do it as homework. D, E, G, H bits you have to do it as homework. Now E bit I'll show you, children. 2755 seconds. 2755 seconds. 2755 seconds divided by 60. So children, here no zeros are there. You can't cancel. So you have to divide here. 2755 divided by 60. Now here 60 table. 60 table you have to read as 6 table. So 275 you have to take 3 digits. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 means 64s are 24 means we are multiplying with 60. So 64s are 240. So minus 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 4, 3, bring down 5. So 6 5s are 30. That means 6 5s are 30 means 60 5s are 300. So 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 3, 0. That means what is the answer? This it will be 45 minutes. This it will shows seconds. So 45 minutes 55 seconds is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Now second bit. Convert to seconds. Convert to seconds. That means here they are given questions in minutes. You have to convert in seconds. So minutes is bigger or second is bigger? Minute is bigger. So you have to what you are converting bigger in it to smaller in it. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. 4 minutes you are converting in seconds. You know children, when you are converting bigger in it to smaller in it, you have to multiply. So for 4 how much you have to multiply? 4 into 60. 4 6 are 24. 240. Here 0 is there. 24 add 0. So 24 seconds is the answer. Now second bit B bit 12 minutes. 12 minutes. So 12 into 60. 12 6 are 72, 0. So in 12 minutes how many seconds are there, children? 720 seconds are there. Okay, now C bit, D bit you do it as homework. Now third question. Ravish takes 1 hour 15 minutes to cycle around a park and Samir takes 5100 seconds. Who takes more time and by how much? Children, in this question, Ravish takes 1 hour 15 minutes and Samir is taking 5100 seconds. Here, different units are there. 1 hour 15 minutes and 5. This it is given in seconds. So first you have to what you have to do, no children. First you have to convert in same minute. This you have to convert in hours and minutes, or this you have to convert whole. You convert in seconds. You make it in same units. Then you have to find the answer. So this is the solution, children. Ravish takes how much? 1 hour 15 minutes. Samir takes how much? 5100 seconds. So this will convert in minutes, children. The seconds will arrive. Samir's seconds, no, these seconds will convert in minutes. So what you have to do? Seconds in minutes. So smaller unit to bigger unit. You have to divide by 60. 0 0 cancel. 510 by 6. So 510 by 6. If after divide, how much you got? 85 minutes. 85 minutes. In 85, how many minutes, how many seconds are there, children? In 85 minutes, how many minutes, how many seconds? In 1 minute, 60 seconds. So he is taking 1 hour. Remaining is 25. So 25 minutes. So Samir is taking time how much? 1 hour 25 minutes. Ravish is taking 1 hour 15 minutes. Who is taking more? In the question, who takes more time and by how much? How much they are asking. So Samir is taking more time. How much is taking? 1 hour 15 minutes. Here 1 hour 25 minutes. So 10 minutes is taking more. So therefore Samir took 10 minutes more than Ravish to cycle around the park. Okay, I hope you understood. Complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.